How are you?
Good. How are you, Velvet?
I'm good.
So I want to introduce you to Julia.
Hey,
Hi, welcome to
Vivian.
Oregon.
We are, I'm not really sure what we're doing, but this is from Original Fare, this gentleman right here. And we're gonna be on both. And are you from here?
Actually not. I moved out here from Colorado about almost 2 years ago. Kind of actually leaving the corporate world. Got introduced to the food world through Oregon. Totally fell in love. So started a company, Let A Meat is the name of it.
And I mean this in the best possible way, you're like the distillation of the stereotype.
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
Absolutely.
I was hoping to meet you. Can you explain to me your team
Yeah.
and what they do?
Let A Meat is a team of 6, so farmer chefs that brings together seeders, feeders, and eaters.
Wait, seeders, feeders, and eaters.
Yep,
Okay.
so this is the Let A Meat brand, and then 3 points for seeders, feeders, and eaters. So yeah, that's kind of our goal, and we do that in a few ways. We're building a mobile app to actually really help people connect and to easily find farms in their area.
They have a great board over there. You can see their produce list and then the restaurants in the city.
Oh,
kind of
cool.
who's getting what.
And
So it's kind of like a community.
it's definitely a
You're just
community.
creating community.
Actually, just making sure farmers make a wage.
Yeah, it's a big problem, farmers and them making a living. We're very accustomed to buying cheap food in this country.
Yep.
So.
Should we show you around?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so how often are you harvesting cabbage in North Carolina, Vivian?
They've just started harvesting for the fall. Cabbage is something that people eat there all year long, but in the summer it gets really, really bitter.
Really?
Yeah, and this is a really nice time to have cabbage because it's sweeter, not so bitter, and I would say fall and early spring are our seasons.
Okay.
Oh yeah, those are huge heads.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
And they're pretty much just giving it to these guys who make sauerkraut.
Well, I think cabbage is kind of magical because I love to like go ahead and cook cabbage some and then char it. I'm a charred vegetable evangelist. And charred cabbage really brings out the sweetness.
Yeah.
And cabbage is actually quite sweet.
This guy is like,
That's gigantic.
it's huge.
I'm just glad it's not me.
See that?
Yeah, I mean, you want to...
It's like 10 pounds at least. We could taste some of the outer leaves. So this is not bitter at all, even like an outside leaf. You want to bite?
Definitely, thank you.
How would your collective handle this cabbage?
Well, I mean, it's interesting you bring up size. You probably have to talk to someone who would be willing to make it into kraut or something.
Our goal is to kind of help build a community of farmers in our region. And so I just always say, I'll take whatever you have,
Yeah.
and then we figure out what to do with it.
Exactly.
You know,
So we're gonna take this one, right? Test it out tomorrow. on
Sure.
our smoke.
that sounds great.
You wanna go around night market tonight?
I don't know, do I?
I think you do.
What is it like?
The thing you'll notice quickly about Portland is everybody's so polite and nice.
Oh, good.
They are.
No shoving,
Yeah.
there's the wait in line.
They are really nice. Yeah. All right, guys. We better get to feast.